So now let's see how we can copy, delete, and duplicate slides inside of Google Slides. So here you can see that I already have a bit of slides, and there are a lot of blank slides that I do not want. So what I can do to delete them is simply click on them and hit the delete key on my keyboard, or alternatively I can right click and click on delete as well. So I'm just going to delete out these slides right here. Just like this. I want to delete this one, and I want to delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, and you can see that that is how you can delete out the slides. I'm just going to keep the 100% right here, and there you go. There's the content, and these are the slides I want. If you want to copy out the slide, you can go over here, press Ctrl C, and then you can go at the end, press Ctrl V, and that's how you copy and paste the slide. Alternatively, you can copy and right click and paste as well, as you can see, just like that. So you can delete and you can copy and paste. If you want to directly duplicate slides, then you can right click and then simply click on duplicate slide, and that's it. That's how you duplicate out the slide. Let me just delete this out. I'm going to select 3 of these slides right here, right click and duplicate slides right here, and that is how you duplicate out the slides all together as well. So that is how you can copy, delete, and duplicate slides inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.